A homeowner should definitely look at a quality system and what else is backed by that sort of service. You want a system that's going to last, and it comes down to education. If you buy a crap solar system, realistically you're going to have to replace it within 5 years. If you have to replace it in 5 years, then any return on investment that they might have been thinking about has gone out the window, because you now have to factor in a removal of a first system, installation of a second system, where if they had just looked and done a bit more research to start off with and put a quality system in, they wouldn't have been having these issues going forward. Obviously in the market there's a struggle to pick up the difference between a price point and a quality point of view in regards to a solar system, and that realistically comes down to education with the customer and what they're actually getting out of the system. So people are always looking at the cheapest product. There's obviously differences in solar systems. You get the cheap and nasty, or you get a premium sort of product. If you're going down the premium product route, you sort of want to make sure that you've got support, ongoing monitoring, anything that can protect the system, surge arresters, retail metering. It should all be part of the quote. There shouldn't be any extra hidden costs that the customer needs to do at the end of the installation of solar. It should be all factored into that one quote going forward. Obviously with us as an installer for solar, we want to make sure that the end customer has a great product that's not going to just last for 5 years, it's going to last for a lifetime. So you're looking at a high quality product that's got a 25-year performance warranty, 25-year manufacturer's warranty, backed by a multi-billion-dollar company, so you know that you've got stable support. But going further, it's a case of the other equipment as well, that you want it to make sure that it's going to last, because there's no point replacing a system in 5 years just because you've brought a cheap and nasty system to start off with.